everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 15th to the 19th of June 2026 on Monday. Mr. Q congratulated the new acting principal of TEF High. Alfred's heart sinks when he learned that Pumeza has written a newspaper article detailing his misfortune. Mapitse reaped some rewards from her podcast on Tuesday. Leto is stunned by the news of Dariska's death. TEF High learners pay tribute to the heroes of June 16 through a debate on Berry FM. A teacher treat at Jakwai Monama to lunch at Kepsi on Wednesday. Leto celebrate Darika's demise, unaware of the frightening truth behind his death. Lehasa start imagining a future that Pretty may not be ready for on Thursday. Leto is spooked when ghosts reveal crucial details about Darika's murder. Jakwai's behavior raises red flag at school and at home on Friday. Leto fears for his life. Kenny is rushed to the hospital after overdosing on drugs. Melita takes a bold step to stop corruption in TEF Lob. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.